Ready? Start. Further, the recovery against the petitioners is being made by a company HDB Financial Services Limited, which cannot be termed as state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. Since repeated petitions impleading financial institutions which are not covered by the definition of state is being filed before this court, therefore a brief look at the relevant legal provisions in this regard has become necessary. Full stop. The word state has been defined in Article 12 of the Constitution to include the government and parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India. Full stop. Article 226 of the Constitution provides that every High Court shall have powers throughout the territories in relation to which it exercises jurisdiction to issue any person or authority, including in appropriate cases any government directions, orders, or writs, including writs in the nature of habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, qua warranto, and certiorari, or any of them, for the enforcement of any of the rights conferred by Part 3rd and for any other purpose. Full stop. The definition of state was initially treated to be exhaustive, confined to the authorities stipulated under Article 12 of the Constitution of India and those which could be read Sdem generis with the authorities mentioned in Article 12 of the Constitution of India itself, because till about the year 1967 the courts had taken the view that even statutory bodies, universities, selection committee for admission to government colleges were not other authorities for the purpose of Article 12 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. It was only in the year 1967 that a constitution bench of the Supreme Court in Rajasthan State Electricity Board, Jaipur versus Mohanlal, AIR 1967, SC 1857, 1968, 1 SCJ 461 within bracket 1967 bracket close 2 SCR 377 held that the expression other authorities was wide enough to include all constitutional or statutory authorities on whom powers were conferred for the purpose of carrying on commercial activities. Full stop. It was observed, para, the expression other authorities is wide enough to include within it every authority created by a statute and functioning within the territory of India or under the control of the government of India, and we do not see any reason to narrow down these meanings in that context in which the word other authorities are used in Article 12. Full stop. Thus, though the definition of state was expanded, but it followed that since a company incorporated under the Companies Act was not formed statutorily and was not subject to any statutory duty, it was excluded from the purview of the state. Full stop. Reference in this connection may be made to the decision of the Supreme Court in Praga Tools Corporation versus CB Emmanuel, AIR 1969 SC 1306 full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.